So guys, let's do analysis on our DXY for the week. I want you to actually watch this video to the end. Watch it so you'll be able to understand our USD index for this week. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now you can see that our price has actually been moving. I'm going to mark it as another key area here on our weekly time frame. We can see that our DXY actually pushes up, right? We actually had a fall again. We now have a bullish move again, which we predicted about last week. If you watch my previous video, you're going to see where I said we are actually going to be going bullish on our DXY and so on. Now we're actually going to be having a fall. We're actually having a fall here, and we are going to having a fall, giving us like an M movement on our weekly time frame. Exactly what we want to be seeing. We are going to be having on our weekly time frame like an M movement. Our price ranging within this area. Now on our now on our daily time frame, as you can see now, our price is actually now going bearish, now giving us that bearish. We can see the fall, right? We've also gotten a pullback here on our key area here. Why is this our key area here? You can see our previous area here. Price has also reacted around this area here, serving as our key area around this place. So definitely we are going to be seeing a pullback to this our key area here. Now we are actually going to be continuing a fall, breaking our previous lower lows, our previous lower lows. So we are now going to be having a new lower lows. So we are going to be having a fall, breaking our previous lower lows. Then we'll be seeing a reaction. We can see a reaction here. Definitely we'll be seeing another reaction here, probably giving us like a pullback. There's this our area here where we've broken, then actually now see another break below our area here. So that's exactly the movements we are planning to see this week. And if we don't get it, but we might not get, but what I know is that our index will actually be falling this week. We're actually going bearish this week. We should be hitting this our key area here, so giving us like an M movement. Now on our 4-hour time frame, we are still on a bearish move. On our 4-hour time frame, you can see we are on a bearish move. You can see the lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Now we have come here to test this our area here. Definitely we are going to be seeing the reaction here. We saw this price reacted here, price reacted here. We can see price react here. Even price is also reacting here. So we are actually going to be seeing a fall on our DXY, by the way, so have that in mind. So above all, by the end of the week, we should also have a movement like something like a red candlestick that will go down like this. We have our candlestick something like this, then it will have it will somehow at least be red. I'm going to highlight it red. We should have something like red like this. As we add this green movement, we saw these two red down. We've also have another green movement. Definitely we are going to be having a red, and if we don't eat it all this week, by next week also we would actually be having another fall again, red, eating this our key area here. By the way, we are planning to take our sell on our USD index to this our area here this week. We will actually have this red, it will fall close probably around this area here. Then next week, the other week, you will actually have it. So probably for 2 weeks, next week and the next 2 weeks, so for good 2 weeks, we're actually going to be having a fall on our DXY. So that's exactly what I'm saying. Let it be relating to our USD index, or our USD itself is actually going bullish. So have that in mind. Our DXY for this week is actually going to be bearish. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.